Hello everybody, English dude, our news. My name is Bolaños. I am 31 years old. I am hungry, but very funny. I think like washing dishes, like to kiss books. I am in the city of Popayan. My favorite book is the Bible. I also to play soccer. I sing. I like salsa. I like the Bible. I like to dance and sing. My face when my parents days me to do the dishes. My favorite celebration or holiday I like Christmas because since it was 5 years old my grandmother went to my house. We made a lot of another party that my mother always at. My aunt and was always at the shows on decorating the trees the my room. And finally me in a receives for Christmas with me favorite holidays that I my family comes over to my house and everyone I was as fun. How much choice we never prepares the breakfast because my wife loves it. Sometimes I make coffee. I really wash the dishes. I usually have the dress on Monday and Tuesday. The programs that I am currently watching are IT Avengers movie. I like to read the world of books I read and the next way on the internet. I love the music of videos. I have studied some electric book of English. What I was told is 7 a.m. is very to the board. I am 7 p.m. I prepare food. I was wearing a jacket, 40 wind as we white clothes. 40 summer is most wore a cap and sunglasses. 40 hands must wear short and light clothes. Choose a short sport shoe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.